Hi, I'm Bo Roberts, Global Marketing Director for Bitdefender. At Bitdefender, our mission is to protect you from the PC security threats of today and tomorrow. As experts in PC and internet security, Bitdefender knows well the ever-changing problems you face in keeping your computer, valuable data, and online identity safe. That's why at Bitdefender we've developed technologies that help protect your computers not only from today's threats, but also threats that have not even been developed. We call this proactive protection, which is at the heart of every Bitdefender security product. Probably every day you download, share, and open files from friends and family, coworkers, and even total strangers. Without adequate protection, however, you're vulnerable to all types of e-threats. Some you may not even have heard of. Viruses, worms, Trojans, rootkits, keyloggers. The list goes on. Each is a threat that can potentially ruin your day or even worse. Phishing and identity theft are realities with which we must all be aware and protect ourselves. If you're like most people, more and more you shop and bank online. While the internet has certainly made our lives easier, if not protected, it is also the easiest way to end up the victim of identity theft or online fraud. Bitdefender Security Solutions proactively protect your personal information from being stolen via email, the web, or instant messaging. Today, people communicate more and more via instant messaging programs like Yahoo and MSN Messenger. Bitdefender Solutions are able to ensure that no one can eavesdrop on your instant messaging conversations with other PCs running Bitdefender. If you have multiple PCs in your home or small business, Bitdefender even allows you to manage the security of your network from a single location. Bitdefender was recently rated as the best value for antivirus software by Top 10 Reviews and rated #1 for protection by the world's largest consumer reporting publication. Bitdefender Security Solutions are designed to run smoothly and quietly on your computer, taking care of your security so you don't have to. Bitdefender's 2009 product line offers 4 different solutions, ranging from basic antivirus to total security. Just pick the solution that's right for you.